Hello everyone. Today I discuss about the basic idea of sound. In our universe, there are 7 types of energy. Out of them, sound is one of the energy which produces the sensation of our hearing. So what is sound? So sound is a form of energy which produces the sensation of hearing. This sound energy is produced from vibrating object. Without vibration, sound cannot be produced. For example, if an utensil falls from our hand on the floor, then we hear the sound. If you touch these utensils at that moment very gently, then you can feel the utensils are vibrating. If you hold that utensils at that moment tightly, then we observe that the sound is stopped and also the vibration also stops. That means from this experiment you can see that the sound is produced due to the vibration of sound. Due to the vibration of the object, sound is produced. So the mechanical energy, that means kinetic energy of the vibrating object, is transferred to the sound energy. Now, sound energy required to travel from one place to another place. But when it travels, it needs the material medium. It may be solid, it may be liquid, or it may be gas. That means sound requires a material medium, sound, solid, liquid, or gas, for its propagation. Without material medium, sound cannot propagate. That means sound cannot travel through the vacuum. In our earth, we hear to each other because sound travels through the air. But we cannot hear to each other in the moon, as there is no material medium like air to propagate the sound. So sound travels through the medium, but it travels in different medium in different speed. Different medium in different speed. It is fastest through the solids and the slowest through the gas. And through the liquid, it is the intermediate of solid and gas. In our practical life, generally our voice or any sound is travelled through the air. In general case, at 0 degrees centigrade temperature, speed of the sound in air is nearly 332 meter per second. Here the temperature is indicated. That means speed of the sound in air depends on temperature. Not only the temperature, also it depends upon the humidity. That means the speed of the sound in air depends on temperature and humidity. If the temperature increases, then the speed of the sound through air also increases. The velocity of sound in air increases by 61 centimeter per second for each degree Celsius rise in temperature. That means in every 1 degree centigrade temperature rise, the velocity of sound increase by 61 centimeter per second. If the temperature is higher, the velocity of the sound in air also higher. Humidity. That means presence of moisture in air. The speed of the sound increases with increase of humidity. That means if the humidity increases, that means water vapor present in air increases, then the speed of the sound increases. That means in the rainy season, the speed of the sound is maximum in air. But the speed of the sound does not depend on the pressure. Speed of the sound depends on temperature, humidity, but does not depend on pressure. That means air pressure. Here, the speed of the sound in air, in average, it is the 332 meter per second. But the speed of the light in air, it is nearly 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. That is very, very higher than the speed of the sound. At the time of lightning and thundering, light and sound both are produced in the same time and in the same place. But we see the light of lightning at first because light travels faster than the sound. And after that, we hear the thundering sound because the speed of the sound is lower than the light. So we watch the light of lightning at first and then hear the sound of the thundering, although they are formed in the same time and same place. Now, thank you.